Friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 16th and 17th of May. Before starting, friends, I would like to tell you that yesterday I have uploaded the best 50 current affairs from 11th of 15th of May. This video consists of in-depth questions which are generally skipped from us while preparing. So please go through it. So let's begin. Which country becomes the first nation in Europe to declare an official end to the COVID 19 pandemic? So, the country is Slovenia and the capital of Slovenia is Ljubljana. Okay. Which state has launched Atmanirbhar Sahay Yojana to help lower middle income groups? So, this Yojana has been launched by Gujarat government. Chief Minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani and Governor is Acharya Dev Vrat. Which among the following organizations Chief Roberto Azevedo has decided to step down early? So, the chief of World Trade Organization has been decided to step down. World Trade Organization is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Sebastian Vettel has decided to leave which historic F1 team at the end of this year's delayed season? So, he has decided to leave Ferrari. Sebastian Vettel is a German racing driver. Which state government is to launch the Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana? So it is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel and Governor is Anuskya Ukai. And this scheme is basically will infuse rupees 5100 crore into the rural economy. Which state's police launched India's first thermal corona combat headgear to ensure the safety of frontline workers? So, this has been done by Delhi police. This is basically to maintain the self distancing. Okay. Which among the following bank approves a loan of $145 million to improve irrigation facilities and flood management in West Bengal? So, this has been approved by AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, whose headquarters is in Beijing, China. How much crore outlay has been approved by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh for the launch of Defence Testing Infrastructure Scheme? So, rupees 400 crore has been approved. Which IIT has developed an interactive COVID 19 dashboard named as MIR AHD COVID 19 dashboard? So, this has been developed by IIT Gandhinagar. How many new mandis are added to e-NAM, that is National Agriculture Market Platform? So, 38 new mandis have been added. With this, e-NAM has reached milestone of 1000 mandis. Okay. Which of the following testing machine was dedicated by Dr. Harshvardhan to the nation? So, the name of that machine is Cobas 6800. This machine will basically test 1200 samples in 24 hours. Piyush Goyal participated in second G20 Trade and Investment Ministers virtual meeting. Which country chaired the meeting? So this meeting was chaired by Saudi Arabia and Piyush Goyal is Union Minister for Railways and Commerce. Which e-governance platform has been launched by Ministry of Human Resource and Development to provide quality education to students? So it has been launched as Samartha platform. Okay. Which state's government announces two new schemes, Snehar Porosh and Prochesta? So the schemes are from West Bengal. Now Snehar Porosh scheme is to provide support to migrant workers who are stranded in different parts of the country, and Prochesta is a scheme to provide daily wages to all the daily wage workers. Okay. What is the central government's target to provide tap connection to supply water to all rural families under the Jal Jeevan mission? So central government target is 2024 and 25, and Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana's target for the same mission is 2022. Okay, we have seen this before some days. Okay. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat package, how much is the liquidity support provided for discom sectors. So it is rupees 90,000 crore. This also we have already covered in our special video for Atmanirbhar Bharat package. So please go through it. It is very important. Center sets up a new body to promote rice exports named REPF. What does P in REPF stands for? So it stands for promotion. Okay, and REPF stands for Rice Export Promotion Forum, under whose chairmanship Gujarat government has formed a committee to review post-COVID economy. So it has been formed under the chairmanship of Hasmukh Adia. Okay, and similar team has been formed in Tamil Nadu, which will be chaired by C. Rangarajan. Okay. MoneyGram Payments Bank has tied up with which bank for direct to bank account credit service? So Federal Bank has tied up. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Friends, please do like our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel and follow us on our Instagram channel Rapid General Awareness. Thank you. Have a nice day.